Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best silverware set is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of a well-appointed kitchen, transforming everyday meals into a more refined dining experience. Whether you're upgrading your current collection, setting up a new home, or searching for that perfect gift, choosing the right silverware set involves more than just aesthetics. It's about finding a balance of durability, comfort, and style that will stand the test of time and countless dinner parties. This guide will help you navigate the options to find a set that not only looks good but also feels great in your hand and performs beautifully with every use, ensuring your table is always set for success. Number 5. Hiware 48-piece silverware set with steak knives. This comprehensive 48-piece silverware set is designed to serve 8 people. It includes all the essential utensils you need for daily meals, special dinners, or entertaining guests. Elevate your dining with its sleek and timeless design. Crafted from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, it features a mirror-polished finish that resists tarnishing for lasting beauty. This complete set provides everything required for a perfectly set table. From dinner forks and salad forks to knives and spoons, it covers all your dining needs. Built for daily use, this set is highly durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. Cleanup is a breeze as it is completely dishwasher safe. Each piece is ergonomically designed for a comfortable and balanced feel in your hand. The smooth edges ensure a pleasant dining experience for everyone. This versatile silverware set makes an excellent gift for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays. Its elegant design complements any table setting, making it a truly appreciated present. What we like. This set is designed for larger households or those who entertain frequently. It includes steak knives, making it perfect for those who enjoy a good steak dinner. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that covers all your dining needs for up to 8 people and simplifies cleanup, this is a great choice. What people say. The silverware set is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The design is elegant and modern, with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold and use. Each piece is well-balanced and feels substantial in the hand, providing a pleasant dining experience. Number 4. Hiware 24-piece stainless steel silverware set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for 4 people, from dinner forks and spoons to steak knives. It's perfect for daily use, family dinners, or entertaining guests. Elevate your dining with its sleek, timeless design and a mirror-polished finish. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it resists tarnishing for lasting beauty. This set has all the essential pieces, including dinner forks, salad forks, knives, and spoons. It's perfect for everyday meals and special gatherings, providing a complete table setting. Built to last, this silverware is highly durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. Plus, its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. Each piece is ergonomically designed for a comfortable and balanced feel in your hand. The smooth edges and lightweight construction ensure a pleasant dining experience for everyone. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile silverware set is an excellent choice for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays, complementing any table setting. What we like. This option is ideal for smaller families or couples who still want the convenience of steak knives. It offers the same elegant design and durability as larger sets but is scaled down for more intimate dining. If you have a smaller household and appreciate having steak knives readily available, this set is a perfect fit. What people say. This silverware set is very sturdy and has a nice weight to it, making it feel high quality. The design is elegant and modern, fitting well with various dinnerware styles. Each piece has a comfortable grip and is perfectly balanced for ease of use. Number 3. 160-pack silver plastic cutlery. Introducing our elegant silverware set, designed with a sleek, modern, and stylish look. Its sophisticated silver sheen makes it perfect for any occasion, from formal dinners to casual gatherings. Experience the premium quality that closely resembles real silverware in size, proportion, and finish. This sturdy and recyclable cutlery set is built to impress. Feel the quality and weight in your hand with this BPA-free disposable cutlery. Its stunning silver finish elevates any table setting, outshining ordinary plastic flatware. Enjoy the convenience of disposable flatware without compromising on style. These utensils make cleanup a breeze after any event or everyday meal. This great value pack includes 80 forks, 40 knives, and 40 spoons, providing more than enough for large gatherings. Save some for your next big event. Crafted for durability, these utensils boast a heavyweight design that ensures they won't bend or break. They offer exceptional value with their robust construction. What we like. For those who prioritize convenience and ease of cleanup, this disposable set is a game changer. It offers an elegant silver appearance without the hassle of washing. If you're hosting a large party, event, or picnic and want a stylish yet practical solution for serving many guests, this bulk pack is incredibly cost-effective. What people say. The Silverware set is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The design is elegant and modern, with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold and use. Each piece is well-balanced and has a good weight, providing a premium feel during meals. Number 2. Tribal Cooking 49-Piece Silverware Set. Tired of your old, mismatched silverware? It's time to bring a modern touch to your dining experience with a new cutlery set. Feel the immediate difference in quality and style. This comprehensive flatware set provides everything you need for 8 diners. It includes a variety of forks, spoons, and steak knives, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. With its luxurious design and perfect weight, this set is ideal for any event. From elegant dinner parties to casual backyard BBQs, it adds a special touch to every meal. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a mirror polish, this tableware is incredibly easy to clean. It comes out of the dishwasher looking perfect, without rusting or dulling. Our heavy-duty, top-grade stainless steel ensures longevity and beauty. The stunning polished finish feels substantial and looks exquisite in your hand. We are committed to creating high-functioning kitchen tools that blend practicality with elegance. Your satisfaction is our priority, so reach out if you have any concerns. What we like. This set offers a step up in material quality with 1810 stainless steel, promising enhanced durability and luster. It's designed for those who appreciate a premium feel and long-lasting beauty in their tableware. If you're looking for a robust set for 8 that combines elegance with superior material for everyday use and special occasions, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The Silverware set is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. The design is elegant and modern, with a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold and use. The set includes a variety of utensils, such as forks, knives, spoons, and serving pieces, making it suitable for any occasion. Number 1. Mikasa Harmony 65-Piece Stainless Steel Flatware Set. Introducing the Mikasa Harmony Flatware Set. Its timeless design features elegant flaring handles and subtle bands, creating a sophisticated look that complements any table setting, from traditional to modern. Crafted from superior 1810 stainless steel, this set offers long-lasting luster and rust resistance. You can rely on its durability for daily use, while enjoying its sophisticated, heavyweight feel. This comprehensive set provides complete service for 12 people. It includes all the essential flatware pieces needed for large families, holiday gatherings, and formal dinner parties. Elevate your hosting with the included 5-piece hostess serving set. These perfectly coordinated essentials allow you to serve appetizers, entrees, and desserts with effortless style. Designed for your convenience, this flatware set is fully dishwasher safe. Its resilient finish resists spotting and fading, making cleanup quick and easy after any occasion. What we like. This is the ultimate set for those who love to host grand gatherings or have a large family. With service for 12 and a bonus 5-piece serving set, it ensures you're fully equipped for any event. If you frequently entertain or need a complete, high-quality flatware solution for a dozen people, this comprehensive set is unparalleled. What people say. The Silverware set is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Each piece has a comfortable weight and balanced design, making it pleasant to hold and use. The set includes a variety of utensils, such as dinner forks, salad forks, knives, spoons, and teaspoons, catering to diverse dining needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.